Hello and thank you for watching this video. My name is Foster Coburn and I'm the person behind the Divi Unleashed website. Before we get to installing the free Divi Unleashed Child Theme, I thought we should discuss some reasons you might want a child theme installed in Divi. And there's really a couple major reasons, certainly plenty of other smaller ones. The first one is you can update Divi without overriding any code customization. That means if you had made some custom changes to the main Divi theme and you install an update to Divi, those customizations would be lost. By putting them in a child theme, they are not lost when you update Divi. The second one would be that you can add some functionality and CSS to the child theme. And again, because it's in the child theme, it doesn't get overwritten when you install a Divi update. In other words, there's no real downside to using a child theme. It's mainly a safety protocol that allows you to add some features. So now that we've talked about that, let's go ahead and get the Divi Unleashed Child Theme installed. You've downloaded the Divi Unleashed Child Theme and you want to install it on your WordPress site. Now, one key here is you must already have Divi installed. It does require it to be there. So from your WordPress dashboard, choose Appearance, Themes. You'll see we have Divi and we have one of the WordPress default themes. Right now, Divi is the active theme. We're going to click Add New and then Upload Theme, and that's going to prompt us to select the child theme we want to install, or any other theme for that matter. We'll click on Choose File, and in this window, I've already got the folder where I have the child theme stored. I'm going to select it. We'll click Open, Install Now, wait a very short time, and it is installed. I'm going to go ahead and activate the child theme. And now, when you look at your themes page, you'll see Divi is still there, but now Divi Unleashed is the active and installed theme. It's really that simple. In the first part of this video, we mentioned that you could add some custom features in a child theme, and the Divi Unleashed Child Theme does add two important features. So we want to show them to you so you know what those are. The first one, we're going to go and do this the long way. If we go to Divi and Theme Options, then we're going to click on Builder and Advanced. You'll see the first line talks about static CSS file generation. You should keep that enabled. And anytime you make changes, it's a good idea to clear it. The problem is, you saw it takes a few extra clicks to get to this button. So now, if you look at the top of your screen, you'll see we've added a button there where you can clear it without having to dig deep into the Divi theme options. You can also clear local storage while you're at it. So those are some good things to do on a regular basis. While we're on this screen, I'm going to make two other changes. The first one, I'm going to disable the product tour. That's great for a new user, but once you become more advanced, it just gets in the way. And I prefer to work with the classic editor, so I'm going to enable that. It's your choice if you want to do that or not. I just figured we'll do that since we're already on this screen. Now I'll click on Save Changes and we'll work on this second custom feature included in the Divi Unleashed Child Theme. We're going to go to Pages, All Pages, and I'm going to edit the one named Sample Page. There's already a text block on this page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a video module. So we'll click on the plus. I'm going to scroll down and find video. And you're going to think this looks exactly the same as what you get without the child theme. The magic feature is you now have the ability to use dynamic content. So for example, on the Divi Unleashed website, we created a custom post type where a video URL was stored in that custom post type, and we can use dynamic content to load the video into a video module. You may have a need for this, maybe you don't, but it's always nice to have those extra features there. I'm just going to go ahead and click Save Changes to put the module there, and we would update our page. We actually haven't done anything other than add the module to the page with nothing in it, but I wanted you to see the ability to add dynamic content. So those are the two main features the Divi Unleashed Child Theme gives you. We hope you enjoy them, and thank you for watching this video.